Introducing the ultimate culinary companion, the Croma 30 liters convection microwave. Safety is always our priority, and this microwave has you covered with its overheating and sensor protection features, providing complete peace of mind. To ensure the machine's longevity, its built-in cooling feature automatically activates after cooling over 2 minutes. It is also equipped with a child lock feature that can be activated by holding the stop button for 3 seconds. Want to deactivate it? Hold the stop button for 3 more seconds and you are all set. Before diving into the installation process, make sure to check the voltage of your power supply point and the positioning of the microwave to avoid any mishaps. Ensure the microwave is placed safely from the adjustment wall and away from the radio or TV. Be aware that a microwave should only be operated with the glass tray, roller support and shaft in the proper positions. Once you are ready, it's time to start placing your accessories inside. The turntable should fit snugly in the microwave with its groove matching the oven. The control panel on this appliance is designed to make cooking as seamless as possible. To set the time, press the clock button which shows 0 hour in a 24-hour format. Croma 30 liters convection microwave has 5 power levels from P100 to P10. Press microwave button once and it displays P100 which stands for power at 100%. Press it twice showing power at 80% and so on. Use the convection cooking mode with preset temperature setting between 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. You can set the cooking time up to 99 minutes and 99 seconds. This technique involves circulating hot air around the oven cavity to cook food quickly and evenly. Croma 30 liter microwave has 4 defrost options: defrost by time, defrost by weight, ground meat and seafood. This microwave has preset combination options to help lower your cooking time. C1 is microwave plus convection, C2 microwave plus grill, C3 grill plus convection and C4 microwave plus grill plus convection. With 305 auto cook menus, this appliance is a true powerhouse that can cater to all your culinary needs. Here is how to use this feature. First, make sure the microwave is in standby mode. Long press the number on the keyword as per the choice of dish and the screen will display the specialty code. Please refer to the user menu to check the code for the dish you want to prepare. After selecting the type of food, press the weight adjustment button to enter the weight. The best part about this feature is that you don't have to worry about programming the time and cooking power. The oven will automatically select the appropriate time and power level. Cleaning this microwave is as easy as using it. First things first. Switch off and unplug your appliance. Take out all the accessories and wash them with warm water. No need to use any fancy cleaners, just some good old warm water will do the trick. If you need to replace the oven light, don't hesitate to contact us. We will take care of it for you. If you have any further doubts or need more recipes, please refer to the instruction manual for more details. Get Croma 30 liters convection microwave from your nearest Croma store or croma.com and enjoy a delicious meal.